Hello everyone. Today's video is going to be about Gladinet Cloud Enterprise and the Active Directory integration. Not only you can allow the users from Active Directory to use the Gladinet Cloud Enterprise, when you set up file and folder shares, those users can access the files and folders over the Gladinet Cloud Enterprise by using the native pass-through authentication. I already have a Gladinet Cloud Enterprise installed on the system here. It's a Windows Server 2012 instance here, and it has Gladinet Cloud Enterprise installed, and I just logged in as the system administrator here and going into the web-based management console. So for now, we are not worried about the endpoint settings yet. Eventually, we're going to put in a fully qualified domain name and SSL certificate, so it can be configured to have an SSL endpoint. For this session, we are more into the Active Directory and the LDAP setup. So once the LDAP is set up, you can use the import network share. So I have a share on the DC, the domain controller. It's called all share, and I'm going to import the file server share into the system here. So it's going to show up as a team folder inside the Gladinet Cloud Enterprise. So the admin credentials is used here to import the file server share, but when the user is accessing the file server share, it's doing so using his own pass-through authentication. So now the IE browser is the admin user, so we are going to be switching over to a different browser so we can log in as a normal user, normal Active Directory user. Because each browser has a cookie session, so whoever is using the browser, it has to be one single person. So now when the IE browser window is the admin, we are using Google Chrome to log in as user 2. So user 2 is a normal user. So when this normal user logs in, he doesn't see the all shares team folder yet because it hasn't been published to him yet. So what we are going to do is we're going to go to the all shares team folder and add Active Directory users. So what we are going to do is we're going to just add group the users, because the user 2 belongs to the users group. So we are going to be assigning this share to the user group. So now this team share has been published to the user group, and the team share, the backend storage for the team share is a file server share. So now you can access user 2 as an Active Directory user can access those folders, but look out, the user 2 cannot access folder 2, and this is an expected behavior because we set the folder permission as access denied at the file server share level. So we are going to verify that using the mapped network drive. So we can verify that user 2, when user 2 cannot access the folder 2 over the web browser, he cannot access that either through the mapped network drive. The two behavior is consistent with each other. So now we are going to be using the DC, click into it, and then we are going to be connecting to the network share using the same user, which is user 2, an Active Directory domain user. So now user 2 is going to map the all shares network share. So it's going to be docked to the right hand side. Docked to the left hand side, it's a little bit too narrow, so we're going to be clicking away the side panels to compare. So now you see folder 1 and folder 2 from the Windows Explorer, and you're also seeing folder 1 and folder 2 from the web browser, the Gladinet Cloud view. So you can see folder 1 is consistent, 6 pictures, and folder 2 you cannot get into it because it's access denied. And there you go, you cannot access the folder 2 folder from Windows Explorer either, right? So that means when you access the files and folders from Gladinet, your Active Directory permissions are checked at the file system level. Thank you very much.